Transform the look and feel of your vehicle's interior with FH Group's timeless cross-weave seat covers. Made of flat cloth polyester, these soft, high-quality covers are lightweight yet durable and designed to protect your upholstery from everyday wear and tear. The center panel features a beautiful cross-weave pattern, which is made with advanced stitching, allowing the material to stretch and breathe. The rear seat covers can accommodate both solid or split bench seats, and a mesh extension is included to cover the exposed sides. The built-in zippers allow access to all the vehicle's seat controls, including center console and cup holders. This full seat cover set can accommodate traditional heated or cooled seats. Special stitching allows for side airbag deployment. The tag is easily visible and should be facing the door. And the bucket seat features a slip pocket at the back to keep personal items within an arm's reach. Enjoy the sophisticated flair and elegant design that is sure to stand the test of time with our timeless crossweave seat covers.